Hello guys, Netmatta here. Welcome to my third video tutorial of my HTML5 and CSS series. So basically what we did in our second tutorial, I just explained to you what basically all this means, all these tags mean. And I also showed you how to create a new file and save it. What I basically said, guys, is that you first open a new file and then save it and add the extension .html. As you can see, the website which the file in which I am currently, I've saved it as my website.html. What I forgot to show you guys is how do we open these files now. So you just move to the directory where you have saved it. Let me just go to my folder. And we can see here it is. Now we are going to open it using your default web browser, and I really recommended the use of Google Chrome. So just right click on it and then open with other application. Yeah, and I'm just gonna select Google Chrome. So let me go to my Google Chrome and you'll see the web page there. So basically, guys, this is our web page. As you can see, it contains nothing. The only thing you can see here is the title of my website. I guess I misspelled it. It's okay, just read it as my website.html. You can see basically that there is nothing here, guys. So what you're going to do is that you're going to code everything here, add all our tags here, and eventually come up with a good looking website. So what I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial is basically how to use the title tag, the headings, and the paragraph. Basically those three will get you moving. So let's go back to the code. So here it is. So basically, guys, let's first give a title to our web page. So the title that we are going to give it will just go in between these two tags, the opening title tag and the closing title tag. So basically I'm just going to call it my website. Yeah, we are there, guys. So just for a test, let's save it. For me, just hit the control button and S. So we have saved it. Now let's go to our web browser and reload that page. As you can see, guys, now the title that was here has changed to what I've just typed here. So that's the title of the web page. We have now named our title. Now let's go in between and modify this body content. And I've told you we are going to first start with header tags and HTML and paragraph tags. So let's go back to the code. And now everything that we want the users to see will go in between these two tags, the opening body tag and the closing body tag. So here's where we are going to use headers. Now, even for headers, you also have tags. The first tag is H1. So there are 6 headers in HTML5. We have H1, H2, header 3, header 4, up to head 6, where the heading 1 is the largest and the heading 6 has the smallest font. So we're just gonna deal with both of them. Let me just copy paste this one. Yeah, then we are now going to this header 2, this header 3, this header 4, header 5, header 6. Yeah, so let me just type some content here. Heading 1. I'm just also gonna copy paste this one. So let me just change this one. This heading 1, this heading 2, this heading 3, this heading, oh my, where did I just put that one? Here. It should go here. This heading 4, this heading 5, yeah, and this heading 6. Now, guys, let's save our document and see what will be seen on our web page. Let's go back to our Chrome and reload the page. As you can see, guys, we have header 1 here, which is the largest, header 2, and up to the last header, which is header 6, and it's the smallest, guys. So basically you can deal with headers, give title to your web page, and yeah, these are basically the header tags in HTML5. So header 1 can become the title of maybe the topic of what you want to put on your web page. Header 2 can become a subtopic. and so on. Now let's go, guys, and let me show you how to use paragraphs. So also paragraph, in paragraph we just use the p tag. We have the opening tag and the closing tag. There it is. So anything that you put as paragraph in your web page will go in between these two tags here, the opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag. So let me just copy some content here. I done an article on information technology. So let me just copy some content, and we are going to, let's just take this one and let's just paste it here. There it is, guys. So this is our paragraph, and I want you guys to notice something. Let's just save this web page and then reload our website. As you can see, that here we have the paragraph has been divided into lines, but when it is loaded on our web page, it's combined into like one line now. It's not the way it is on you can see it on the text editor. So basically, I'm sure the question you want to ask me is, what if I want to add like 2 paragraphs? Let's just paste it here, and then, guys, you can see these are 2 paragraphs, but let's just try reloading this on our web browser. I didn't save it. Let's go back to our web browser, and as you can see, guys, it has all been rendered as one big paragraph. It has all been rendered. As you can see, guys, it has all been rendered as one big paragraph. So maybe you're asking yourself, how am I going to split the two? And so, guys, I'm going to talk of another tag called the BR tag. I call it the breakline tag. So you can see this one paragraph and this another paragraph. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use the BR tag, which will break the line between these 2 paragraphs. So I can add it here, or I can just add it at the end of that paragraph. And so I'll just go the break line, yeah, and save our document and then reload it on the web page. As you can see now, guys, there's a difference between, you can see that this one paragraph and this another paragraph. So basically that's the work of the BR tag. It breaks a line between 2 paragraphs or between 2 statements. And so basically, I guess, guys, this is good for an intro for header 1 and paragraph. So our next video, our next tutorial I'm going to show you how to manipulate the heading tag and a paragraph tags to come up with some good content on your web page. Thank you, guys, for watching. Let's meet on our next tutorial.